Rain warning.
Open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 6:45 p.m. At 4:43 p.m., the two thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near McHenry to near Ottawa, moving east at 35 knots. Wind gusts in excess of 50 knots and small hail. Source: radar indicated. These storms have a history of producing damaging
Time is wrong on this thing.
Central Illinois. Impact. Boats could suffer significant structural
These radios aren't activating. That isn't activating.
Small craft could capsize in suddenly higher waves. Locations in Texas include Harrison Beaver, Chris, Wilmette Harbor, 31st Street Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Burns Harbor, Calumet Harbor, Winthrop Harbor, Indiana Harbor, Montrose Harbor, Waukegan Harbor, Burnham Harbor, and Hamlet Marina. The tornado watch remains until 8 p.m. for northeastern Illinois, and the ancient waters